We just arrived in Boracay and we're gonna head to the Shangri-La Hotel. So we have to go ahead and take a boat to the hotel, and I'm super excited. It looks gorgeous. So here is what the boat ride is like. Hi! How are you?
I had no idea what to expect when we arrived at the Shangri-La Resort, but I was absolutely shocked. It was probably the most beautiful property I have ever stayed at. And as soon as we got off the boat, we took golf carts to the front desk of the resort, and look how beautiful it is. So gorgeous. I love the architecture. Also, let's just take a moment to look at how beautiful her uniform looks.
Yes, 3 p.m. That's fine.
Alright guys, so we just arrived at the Shangri-La in Boracay, and I want to give you guys a room tour. It is absolutely a beautiful property with top-notch service, probably the best service I've ever had at a hotel resort. So let's get started. So you walk in and here is the closet. Come over here. I am with my family right now, so we have 4 robes, we have some slippers over here and some beach slippers. That's awesome. And then this is the room. It is a queen room, so we have 2 queen beds over here. Look at the sunlight and the natural lighting. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at this. I love it. The view is paradise. I cannot believe it. And this is the outdoor setting. So let's go outside and look at paradise. Look at how beautiful the Philippines is, guys. We have a lounge right over here. And this is one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen in my whole entire life. I mean, look at this. You see that? And the water is so clear and blue as well. Absolutely gorgeous. And I can imagine myself literally having breakfast right over here. So amazing. So let's go inside and I'll show you the bathroom. Alright, so the bathroom is also gorgeous as well. So it's right over here. And we have our own tub, first of all. So we can take some bubble baths in here. And this is just so beautiful. I love the wooden bamboo accents. I just love the branding of Shangri-La. It's just very relaxing, very peaceful. We have our modern showers and toilets. And yeah, that is the beautiful hotel, and I cannot wait to take you guys along as we tour the property. Want to say hi to my channel, Liza?
Oh, what happened to your car? How come you're so heavy?
You leave my channell? Say hi!
How come they stop?
They're turning back.
Hey everyone, this is my first day here in Boracay, and I was gonna do a tour of our resort, Shangri-La, but actually today we're going to do a boat island hopping tour. And sorry it's kind of loud right now, but I'll take you guys along with me in the different islands of Boracay. But look how cool this looks. It looks awesome. So let's go ahead and go on the boat.
Welcome to the Philippines. We're in an e-trike. Hi, Jackie.
Hi, say hi to my...
Everybody say hi to Jackie's fans.
Hi. That looks so good. Right now we are walking to the boat, but this is the Boracay beach. My first time in the beach and it looks so beautiful.
Sir, para ceiling, sir.
Oh my goodness. Look at the sand over here too. And this is my little niece. She's sleeping right now, but those are the boats right over there. I think those are the boats.
Honestly, this is probably the most beautiful beach I've ever been to. Boracay is known for its white, luscious sand, and I had the time of my life. I feel like I'm made for this kind of weather. I love the water, I love humidity, I love the sun, and my skin actually thrives in this weather. And these pictures are in the crystal canoe as well, and we did a little photo shoot, and it was so much fun.
Are you sure? Oh, it's a boat. I never drink like this. You're gonna be on our channel. That's right. I can save you. Ay, wala mo si Shi.
Mommy, is it like
Ay! Hindi mo nag-kiss. Did anyone take the picture of the Puka Beach?
Yeah.
Wala. Them? You should have took a picture there by the Puka side. You didn't. You did. Right now the waters are getting a little bit crazy. Everyone's yelling. But it's awesome. It's not awesome. We're on to the next island. Right over there. Masyado atang malayo. Take a nap. Yeah.
So right now, the boat stopped at a little island and we ate some lunch over here at Jacob's family trip, Boracay Tours and Travel, and it's kind of like in this more country type of island, so it's very like local and it looks really awesome. Let me show you guys. And there's like dogs on the road and it just looks really cool. This is the little island. There's some dogs that are just walking on the street without a leash. And so right now we are at the spa at Shangri-La and we're gonna get massages and it's so beautiful. And I'll take you guys along with me as we explore the spa and get massages. So let's go this way. Look how beautiful it is.
So I had a massage a few days ago. Hindi ko pinagalaw yan.
Okay, avoid mo na that area.
And what makes it special, the Hilot massage?
It's actually, ma'am, it's our local in the Philippines. So
Okay.
it's a medium to firm pressure technique. It's more on tongue than knuckles. And we'll be using your warm banana leaves to scan the tight muscles of your body.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have some. Yes, ma'am, to smoother your skin.
Thank you.
Let's go body scrub tomorrow. Meron kayang space tomorrow morning before the wedding?
Allow me to check, ma'am, for how many person?
Here is one of the massage rooms. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, so we have our own private changing room. I'm getting a massage with my auntie while my mom gets a massage with my dad. But it's so fancy here. This is the fanciest spa I've ever been in. And it's also very affordable as well, but I'll tell you more about that later. But it is absolutely gorgeous here. I am probably gonna, I feel so emotional, but let me show you guys the changing room and the bathroom. So we have our own private changing room. The robes are in there. We can put our clothes in here. My auntie is showering. And this is the bathroom as well.
The other side, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, by the way, ma'am, and Flora, they will be your therapies. So,
Okay.
for your 1 hour healing massage, ma'am, we're gonna use the warm banana leaves at your back.
Okay.
And the virgin coconut oil for the whole treatment. So, do you have any focus area for your massage?
I would say my whole back, but mostly right over here, my
Left lower back.
left lower back and my glute, my left
Okay.
glute as
So, how
well.
about your avoided area, ma'am, if you have them?
Nowhere.
Everything's okay? Head
Yes.
massage is okay also?
Is what?
Head massage is okay?
Yes.
Okay. If you're ready, ma'am, can you please remove your robe and lie face down?
Okay. Thank you.
Something about getting massages in the Philippines is so healing to me. I got a massage in Manila as well. I vlogged that experience too. And then this massage was out of this world. I'm not even kidding you guys. I fell asleep in both of the massages that I've had. Something about the Hilot massage I just love so much. It's just so therapeutic. I felt amazing afterwards. And this massage was $85 for an hour. A couple hours after our massage, we went to a place called Mall in Boracay, which is like, I guess it's the downtown of Boracay. I'm not sure what it's called, but there's a bunch of restaurants and shops and street vendors. And it was so much fun, and I would love to come back here again in the future. But we had dinner at this place called Hobbit Tavern. And basically, the servers in this restaurant are all little people, but it's awesome because, you know, this restaurant gives little people jobs in the Philippines, which is pretty awesome. And the food was really good as well.
We are here to toast to love and a lifetime of happiness. Hello everyone, I am Reggie, your host for this very fine evening. I am a friend of the bride, Ate Rain. Please give them a nice standing ovation. Everyone, please stand up to welcome Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Rain Yerbury.
And it don't change if I'm away. You will know that you are. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful
Yung anak pa ni Ate Lene may mga asawa.
Beautiful wife, Rain.
Words can hardly express how grateful and blessed I feel to stand beside you today. I also want to take a moment to thank both of our families.